As a theatre company, we work with learning disabled actors, and as such, often we're approached by organisations that want us to create a piece of theatre that will deal with issues that are important to the learning disabled community. We find that forum theatre is the ideal format for creating specific pieces for those organisations. The difference between forum theatre and maybe more traditional forms of theatre is that it gives you the ability to see a scene and then watch it once more and stop when you see a point when the lead character, the protagonist, has the chance to do something differently that will change the outcome of the scene for the better.
I think we find people with learning disabilities in their lives, there's lots of decisions made about them and for them that they don't have any say in. People with learning disabilities think, and we think, at Learning Disability Wales, that they should be at the heart of those decisions and those discussions about things that are affecting them.
So we will always start by exploring the theme with our academy students. So we share stories, and from that we start to build a kind of shared experience that then leads to the scripts. And then once we've got the scripts, we put a cast together that will be some of our academy students that have worked through the process in creating a story, and also actors without a learning disability that may be sourced from our pool of tutors.
We hold a 2-day annual conference, each on a different theme, and one of the things that we're really keen on is to make sure that the events are for the people and by the people, and that gives it a feel and in reality makes it inclusive about the things that people really want to discuss and explore.
You learn new stuff about the members of an academy which you usually don't know about. All the hardships they've faced or the discrimination.
Drama's got one rung up the ladder on what people want to do at a conference. And for people with a learning disability, often drama and exploring a theme through drama can be an easier way to understand and express their own thoughts and feelings about the issue being discussed.
It's incredibly useful because it creates discussion. There's always no shortage of people who want to be heard and want to kind of give their opinion on what they see on the stage. It provokes reaction, and that starts discussion, and ultimately that leads to change. It also provides a safe environment to explore how that change can be achieved.
The benefits of forum theatre is that it empowers an audience, it educates an audience.
I think people get involved with forum theatre at our event so well is because we try to create a whole atmosphere from reception through to all the parts of the conference that it is welcoming and warm and opening, and it's relaxed, it's not stuffy, so the stage is already set for people to be able to engage in that.
You get to not only live a story like any performance you do, but at the same time it really opens to your mind and engages with the audience. Even if it's a really tough scenario, there's always someone incredibly smart who has the way to get this scenario to a much more desirable conclusion, and it's lovely to be a part of that process.
I think it benefits people who are watching it because it shows them situations that people with learning disabilities can be in, and it opens their eyes a bit, and they give great suggestions when they forum with us. As well as educating them, they kind of give us ideas as well.
If I was in that situation, I would know what to do. But I'm so happy that I done it because I thought I had more confidence. So obviously, I thought I had the right to go up and speak out and stick up for myself.
It's my first time I actually went on the stage, and yeah, it was really good. You know, I've experienced it before, and it's really good to let people know, you know, what to do and that. It shows, like, you know, you can actually stand up against other people. It doesn't matter how high they are and, you know, who's in charge and everything. Everyone's the same.
All our actors are trained in forum theatre skills. It's part of their academy training. So one of the key benefits for our actors with learning disability is this is a route to employment for them. They are paid as professionals when they join us in the forum theatre projects.
Drama is basically an art that involves teamwork. It helps me in being more engaged with audience members, but also being prepared to accept change in any form and to just go along with it, because drama is about versatility, and the more versatile you are, the better your chances are of going through life as an actor. Forum theatre is a metaphor of life. It just takes one action, one decision, one solution to change your life for the better.